Hey scholars, so this week we've been talking about subtraction with using borrowing, since we can't subtract the numbers in the ones place, so we take from the tens, and we've been using our base 10 blocks. Today we're going to try it without using our base 10 blocks, so here we go. So we have 56 minus 18, and again, whenever we're subtracting or adding our two digits, we always start in the ones place. So we have 6 and we need to take 8 away. But if I have 6, I don't have enough to take 8 away. So then I need to hop to my tens. I need to cross out my 5, and I'm taking 1 away. So if I have 5 and I take 1 away, I'm down to 4. But I need to do something with those 10s. So if I took a 10 away, now I need to add it over to my ones place. So 6 plus 10 gets me to, so if I have a 10 and 6 ones, that equals, right, 16. So my 6 turns into a 16. Now I'm ready to subtract. So 16 minus 8 equals, right, 8 is one of our doubles. 8 and 8 makes 16. Now I'm ready. Now I have my new number, 4 minus 1. Right, is 3. So 56 minus 18 equals 38. Now we're going to try this one. We have 82 minus 63. Again, we always start with our ones place when we're adding or subtracting. So I have 2 minus 3. If I have 2, can I take 3 away? No. So now I need to go next to my tens and take a 10. So I'm going to cross out my 8. I'm going to take 1 away. So if I have 8 and I take 1 10 away, that leaves me left with 7 tens. But I need to add my 10 that I took away over to my ones. So 10 and 2 make what? So if I have 10 and plus my 2 equals, right, 12. So my 2 turns now into 12 since I brought my 10 over. Now I can subtract. So 12 minus 3. So if I have 12 and I go back 3, what do I get to? Right, 9. Now I need to do my 10. So I have my 7 now minus 6. So if I have 7 and I take 6 away, how many are we left with? Right, we're left with 1. So 82 minus 63 equals 19. All right, here we go. We have 74 minus 18. Again, we always start with our one side. So we have 4 minus 8. If I have 4, do I have enough to take 8 away? No, so I need to do my borrowing. So I come to my tens. I cross my 7 out, and if I take 1 away, I'm down to, right, 6. But now I need to add that 10 to my 4. So 4 and 10 make how much? Right, 14. So 14 minus 8 equals, right, 6. Now we go next door. We have 6 minus 1. So if I have 6 and I take 1 away now, I'm left with, right, 5. So 74 minus 18 equals 56. Okay, we have one more to do. I have 21 minus 9. Again, we always start with our one side. So I have 1 minus 9. If I have just 1, can I take 9 away? No, so I need to go and borrow. So I cross out my 2. And if I take 1 away, 2 and you take 1 away, you're left with, right, 1. And now I need to add that 10 that I took over to here. So 10 plus my 1 is, right, this turns into 11 now. Now we can subtract 11 minus 9. So start at 11, take 9 away. What are we left with? Right, 2. Now we have 1 minus, and there's nothing here, so that's a 0. So 1 minus nothing, it stays my 1. So 21 minus 9 equals 12. Now I want you to try 4 problems on your own without using your base 10 blocks and using your borrowing. So you have 81 minus 23, 63 minus 17, 44 minus 35, and 41 minus 19. And again, you're not going to be able to subtract with your 1, so you're going to have to borrow from your 10s, take 1 away, and add that 10 to your 1s. Can't wait to see your work.